everyone. If you are struggling with NVIDIA's overlay instant replay video clip not working, I've got the solution for you. Are you ready? Now let's get started. First, open the GeForce Experience app on your PC. Make sure it is up to date, as outdated software can cause overlay issues. Now click on the settings icon on the GeForce Experience, then enable instant replay in the in-game overlay section. Make sure your overlay is set to on. Go to the instant replay settings and check if the resolution and frame rate are set correctly. Higher settings may not be supported by all systems, so try lowering the quality if you are experiencing issues. Now ensure you have enough disk space to save the clips. Also, make sure GeForce Experience has the necessary permissions to write video files to your hard drive. If none of the previous steps work, uninstall and reinstall the GeForce Experience. This should clear any software bugs causing the overlay issue. And that is how to fix NVIDIA's Instant Replay. And now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.